Hello friends, in this video we will find out the buy or sell entries for gold and silver today. Do watch till the end. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. Let's start. First let's have a look at the hourly charts on gold. If you look at the complete movement 1913 levels and 1902 levels. Here it is trying to trade in this zone. You can see maximum resistance is offered here 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 candles getting the resistance precisely from 1913 levels, and then beyond that is 1916. So these are the two levels. Also if you connect these two, you will find lower highs are observed, lower lows are observed. Lower lows means 1900 and the highs means 1913 level as of now through this channel. Now if you look at the Bollinger Bands have narrowed, this is a squeeze here, and possibly the movement now is going to stay outside the Bollinger Band so that the width can expand. Right now you can see it is already trading outside the Bollinger Bands. Also you can see this is precisely double bottom levels, and hence a sell entry for the day is only below 100 to 1902 levels. Below 1902 we can expect 1895 levels as the first target. So the sell entry is clear here. Stochastic at bottom, MACD again crossing over for a sell, first wave, second wave initiating here. Let's see if it continues. RSI is also trading at bottom. On the 2-hour chart, see 1912, 1913 levels is also the 20 period moving average. Remember, the moving averages are now trading with extreme divergence, and the price is also divergent from the moving average. Also remember, it is trading at the bottom of the channel and almost double bottom is formed as of now. So we will be watchful of how it behaves at 1902 on the downside. Stochastic has dropped. MACD first wave, second wave may initiate, we have to wait, or else it can form a double bottom here before looking forward to an upward move. RSI at bottom here, neither overbought nor oversold. On the 3-hour, similar is the observation. Couple of resistance level 1913, 1916 levels, and it is forming a channel here. 1900 as a good support and 1913 as the next resistance on the upside. Initiating a sell entry at 1902 is profitable, but we have to remain cautious as it has consistently been trading bearishly. The divergence on the moving average, the price is divergent from the moving average, and hence there should be a conversion which might take the prices still towards 1930 levels, the next resistance zone. Stochastic has dropped. MACD giving second wave. I'll watch out here. If it bounces back from here, certainly this is a bullish indication. RSI looking downwards here, indicating slight bearishness. And on the 4-hour, similar is the observation. Trading within the box. Stochastic looking down. MACD trading with a slight bearish bias. RSI at bottom. Coming to the daily. On the daily charts, one point to note, look at yesterday's candle. Body size has diminished. Certainly we can see the bearishness has diminished. Prices failed to stay bearish here, and we have seen a pullback. But note that the day started on the bearish note. However, one important point is the double bottom levels. It has formed the double bottom, and hence I will definitely watch out for first at 19, 10, 13, 16. If these three levels are taken, you can say that the gold might reverse from here and continue on an upward journey. Be careful with that. Stochastic oversold, MACD extremely divergent and bearish, RSI trading at bottom. Considering this, before I give you the trading levels and the targets, this is the first video for the day. The next update on gold and silver will be released before the US session. To watch that also. Also, you can be part of our signals channel. We are trading as per the signals. Definitely you can benefit. My next mentorship batch is starting on 23rd of July. 3rd of July, that is 23rd batch, and there you can learn the art of identifying potential trades and trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And yes, before leaving the video, do not forget to press the like button and please share, subscribe and comment also. Let's start with the levels here. So with the analysis, we have found out the sell entry right now is at around 1902 levels. Yes, below that we have discussed yesterday also that 1900 1902 is a very good support zone. Below this, if it trades, certainly we are looking at 1895 as the first target. That is a very good support for now. Below 1895 it stays. Certainly more further bearishness will take it till towards 1887 1870 levels in the near future. Hence take this trade accordingly. On the upside, see double bottom is formed as of now, and hence if it stays above 1910, You can buy, however, 1913, 1916 are the two resistances, and then 1920. These are the three resistances gold has to pass. If it stays above 1920, we may see it hitting 1925-30 zone. Very, very strong resistance exists at this zone, and hence take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. If you track the silver price movement on the hourly chart, see this is forming a channel here. This is a bearish highs of this channel. Now if you see it breaking beyond 23, certainly we can see, or we can treat this as reversal beyond 23. We may see more bullishness. At the same time, if you look at the complete movement here, see higher highs, lower lows, we have seen swing across last 3 to 4 candles. 2265 and 2260 are the two greater supports. Below 2265 you can expect 2255, and once it breaks below 2255, the target is 2240, and then till 2220 it has got very, very good support. Hence a sell entry can be taken at 2265. However, 2255 very good support, and below that 2240 levels will be seen, and a buying entry now at around 2290. However, remember 2290, 22 and 23, these are two very, very good resistance. Beyond 23 we may see it flying high again. What has happened till now? See the rise here, the retracement, and if it breaks out, certainly more bullish momentum can be seen here. If you look at a stochastic, this is looking down. MACD almost flat. RSI almost comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. Coming to the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts also, similar is the observation. This is still forming a bullish flag here. After dropping till towards 2220, is still forming a bullish flag, and hence a breakout is what I will look forward to. Any move beyond 23 is a very good sign. Stochastic looking down. MACD trading with slight bearish bias. RSI almost flat. And on the 3-hour chart, now see on the 3-hour chart, see flat bottom is seen and flat top. If it continues its upward journey, breaks past 2290 and then 23, certainly we can say that it has reversed, and we are going to look forward to a strong rally in silver, which might take it till towards 2320, 2350 levels. Stochastic flat, MACD trading with slight bearish bias as of now. RSI is also trading almost flat. And on the 4-hour charts, similar is the observation. One more observation here on the 4-hour chart. See couple of green candles, the red candles. Almost this zone is providing it a very good support, and hence we have to be watchful between 2290 and 2265 levels. Do not take any trade in between these levels. Stochastic flat here. MACD willing to cross over for a sell. It has not yet crossed over. RSI is also trading with a flat mood or without any bias here. Coming to the daily chart. Now see on the daily charts, it is shown earlier a reversal. Lower highs, lower lows are seen, and I will potentially wait for it to break past 23, and then you can treat this as a reversal. Remember, the prices right now are divergent from the moving averages. The resistance zone is still towards 2350 levels. If you look at the complete formation right now, still it is trading in this bullish channel. If you connect the dot for silver on the downside, you will find it is still trading in this bullish channel, and hence below 2265 or 2260, certainly more bearishness may prevail. At the same time, above 23 we can expect 2320, 2350 levels, and hence take your trades accordingly. Stochastic flat here. MACD is also bearish, willing to converge. It has not yet crossed over. RSI almost trading flat. Considering this a sell entry below 2265, but then 2255, 2240 and then 2220 levels are the three major support levels for silver here. On the upside, 2295 is or 90 is a good buy entry, but till 23 very, very good resistance. The safe entry is about 23, where you can expect 2320, and beyond that more bullishness may prevail till towards 2350 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and you can remain updated by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my mentorship batch starting 3rd of July. Limited seats are available. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day.